So, while the crypto market continues to tank, there is a sector that has been doing very well in this period. Now, that is the sector I want to show you. Now, in crypto, there are trends, and if you follow the trends in crypto, you are definitely going to be making money. So, while other coins may be going down, there are other coins that may be doing well. And that is just how the trend works. So in this bull run, all the coins may not go up at the same time. And now this trend that has been going up is one of the categories in the crypto sector that is doing well right now. And if you join this trend and look for the coins that are in this category, you may be making money in this particular season, even when the coins are dumping. Now, everything I'm going to be doing here is not a financial advice for you to use. So I am not doing this thing so that you will go ahead and start investing in them. I am only bringing this thing to you as an educational or informational purpose only. So if you want to invest in the coins I'll be mentioning in this video, please do well to do your own research. Research on them before investing. Now, if you look at the market critically, we notice that everything is red apart from dash, right? So everything is red. You can see here is in daily, and everything is red apart from dash. Now, dash belongs to this sector I am talking about. So let's go over to CoinMarketCap and let's look at it together. Now, if you come to CoinMarketCap and let's just look for category. Okay, this is category right here. You can see right here, that's category. So I'll click on categories. Now, if I come down to this place, now you can look at this place right here. You can see privacy, right? So if I open privacy right now, so I'll just open privacy right now. You can see the coins that are listed under privacy. So I'm going to look at some of them that are done well, and then you will see what I am saying in this video. And before I go further in this, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are welcome to Blockchain Plus. In this place, I teach you everything about cryptocurrency, how to make money from it, how to trade it, and how to invest in it. So if you love this kind of videos, please do wait to subscribe to this channel. Also, drop your like in this video and then drop a comment in this video as well. Tell me what aspect of this video you really enjoyed, and if you want to stay in the know about content like this, then turn on the bell notification icon so that when I drop this kind of valuable videos, you will be notified and watch them, because these are time sensitive information, and if you don't take action when I drop it, you may just miss out from the coins and you miss out from the move, right? So I don't want to do that. So let's go over to the video. And also, if you want to join our Telegram community, you just go to Telegram right now. So you're going to see our Telegram community right here. This is Blockchain Plus. So just go to Telegram, search for Blockchain Plus, and join this channel so that you will be notified and you will be guided on everything about crypto and trading. All right, so let's go back to the video so that I will show you what I am saying. Like I said, if you look at this sector, if you look at Zcash, this is Zcash, Z-E-C. The full meaning is Z cash. You can see it right there, Zcash. Now, if you look at Zcash, this is what Zcash has been doing in the past few weeks. You can see, let me just put it on daily so that you will see very well. You can see where the movement started from. Let me see if I can move this. Okay, I can move it, and you can see here. Okay, let me just use this so that you will see. Let me remove this and put this like this. Now you can see this is I think this should be August this year. The price was $34, and from $34 right now, you can see it has gone over $400, and it is still going, right? This is the privacy trend right now. Cryptocurrency, everything about crypto, people are focusing on privacy, right? You can see in the last 90 days right here, you can see it has done over 1000%. In the last 24 hours is just that 3%. In the last 7 days is 26%, and in the last 30 days 176%. You can see it has done over 1000%, while other coins are still tanking. Now Zcash has been moving. I will not ask you to go and invest your money in Zcash right now because it is already up. If you did not invest in it when it was below $50, you've missed out from this move, and it's already up. Now I also looked at another one. If we come back to this privacy as well and we click on Dash right here, so let's just open Dash, and you can see Dash also. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I think last 2 weeks, I saw Dash around here. Like, yeah, this is it, $42. And right now we are in 100, and you can see right there over $118, and it is still moving. You can see this candle. I think earlier today I saw this candle around here when it was dropping. Now that was a perfect time to also enter for the buy, right? So these two coins are under privacy tokens, and they have been doing very well. You can see in the last 90 days of this one, it has done 450%. In the last 30 days, it has done 245%. 7 days, it has done 143%. 24 hours is 31%. Right now, in the last 1 year, it has regained back 197%. So, meaning people who invested in it, like in the last 1 year, they are now in profit, right? So, this trend now is about privacy. People are investing in what? Privacy token. And as such, it's always good to follow the trend in crypto. When you see the trend, follow the trend. Following the trend doesn't mean that you should jump in the ones that have already moved. Now, the trend is indicating that privacy tokens are doing very well right now. All you just need to do is to look for the next private tokens that you can invest in. So, in this, from now on, I'm just going to talk about 3 or 4 privacy tokens that you can be looking at to invest in as well, following what Zcash and Dash has done. Now, number one here on my list will be Monero. So if you look at Monero right now, Monero is just trying to break this previous high. You can see it right there. So investing in it right now will be a win for you, because from here it can go all the way to that up, right? Now, if you look at Monero, let's go to weekly and see the all-time high. You can see the all-time high right here is 420. Let's see there's another all-time high. So far that's the highest point, 500. So, and I believe that Monero is going to break this all-time high following the trend in privacy. So Monero should be one of the coins you should be looking at, following the trend that has been happening in this sector. The next one here is DCR. So I'm going to be looking at DCR as well, because although this one has started moving, you can see right there, it has started moving as 51%. So let's look at it. You can see so far 90 days is just 60%. So the move has not really been too much, and you can see that DCR, let's see, the move just started. You can see right there, oh, it just started right now. You can see that is the daily candle for today. So let me just refresh this and see if it's going to show. No, it's not showing, but this is it. You can see there is a candle here that is up. So although it is still very early, if you can also invest in DCR. So DCR is another one that you can look at to invest in. And then I also have other ones, although these are all privacy tokens, so you can go ahead and look at them, see the ones that are good for you. But I'm just mentioning the ones I feel if I want to invest, those are the ones I'll invest in. So I'll look at them. Secret. So this is another good one. If I want to invest, you can see, and you can see how the privacy tokens are just jumping. You can see this one right here is also jumping up right there. But if you look at it, let's go back to it again. If you look at it, you can see 90 days is just 9%, 7 days is this, and 30 days. So this one is still early. So if you invest in this one is going to give you good return on your investment. And then I also want to look at let me see if there is Veg here. Veg is a privacy token as well. Okay, let me just type it instead of just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So let me just go out from here and search for XVG. So let me search for XVG. Okay, this is it right here. So XVG, which is Veg. So you can see Veg is another privacy token, and you can see this is just beginning. You can see the last 90 days of this is 23%, 7 days is 23%, 30 days is still low. You can see. So this is another privacy token that you can also invest in. And the last I want to talk about is Zen. So let me look at Zen. Let me see. Okay, so this is Zen right here. So Zen is another privacy token that you can also invest in right now. You can see the last time I saw Zen earlier was around here, which is around I think 12 $13. Right now we are above $19, right? And this has the potential to go way higher than this. So let's look at it on the weekly as well. You can see $45, that is a high. Let's this one $165. So with the trend on privacy token, these can clearly break that 168 dollars high that it made earlier right here. So if this trend continues, so you can see from what I've shown you right now, while other coins are tanking, every coin is dropping, these ones are just doing massively well in the market. And this is the time for you to jump into them if you have not bought any privacy token. Like I've shown you other privacy token. Just come to coin market cap. Let me go out of here again, come to, okay, let me just go to market like this. You can see right here, just scroll this way, scroll all the way to this side. You see category, you look for privacy, and then you make your research on the privacy tokens that are available, and then you start buying based on what you have, based on the amount you have. You can see there is Cello, there is Rose, there are so many of them. So just go ahead and look at them and start investing, because this is the narrative that is making wave right now. And if you want to make money, that is how you actually make money. Don't go over investing in Zcash right now, even if it's going to continue to go up, or Dash, because those ones have already moved. Zcash has already done over 1000%, right? So if I were you, I won't invest in that. Rather, I'll look for the low ones that have not moved to start investing. All right, that will be the end for this video. Let me know if there's anyone you have in mind. Just drop it in the comment section. And I believe you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that you support the journey of Blockchain Plus. All right, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.